the shortest distance between a point and a line, which has to be the perpendicular distance. Suppose the point is S and the line is L, then the shortest distance is going to be the distance ST. Let's say the vector equation of the line is vector R equals to vector A plus lambda vector B. So with vector A being A1I plus A2J plus A3K, while vector B is B1I plus B2J plus B3K. Vector B has to be a vector along the line or parallel to the line. All right. Suppose the coordinates of the point S is x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1. So the position vector OS is given by x1i plus y1j plus z1k. If we find vector PS, it's going to be the difference between vector A and the position vector OS. Hence, this will be A1 minus x1 I plus A2 minus y1 j plus A3 minus z1 k. If we find the cross product between PS and vector B, it will give me a normal vector of the point, a normal vector to the line. So this normal vector is also equivalent to vector ST. If I find the magnitude of this normal vector and divide it with the magnitude of vector B, this will give me the shortest distance between the point and the line. Take an example. Suppose the equation of line is vector R equals to 2i minus 3j minus 4k plus lambda I minus j plus k, and the point S has coordinates 2, 3, 1. So the position vector OS is given by 2i plus 3j plus k. Vector A is 2i minus 3j minus 4k, which is always representing the vector position vector of a point on the line. So it could be this point P, right? The vector B is the vector along this line, which is here I minus j plus k. First, we have to find vector PS, which is going to be vector A minus OS. So it will be 2 minus 2i plus minus 3 minus 3j plus minus 4 minus 1k. So it is equals to minus 6j minus 5k. Now let's find the cross product between PS and B, which is going to be expansion of this determinant with first row as ijk, second row as the coefficients of ijk in vector PS, which is 0, minus 6, minus 5, and third row as the coefficients of ijk in vector B, which is 1, minus 1, 1 here. So the answer here is going to be minus 6 minus 5i minus 0 plus 5j plus 0 plus 6k. That's it. It is minus 11i minus 5j plus 6k. The magnitude of this cross product is square root of minus 11 square plus minus 5 square plus 6 square, which is square root of sum of 121 25 and 36, which is root of 182. The magnitude of vector b is simply 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square, which is square root 3. So the shortest distance d between the point and the line is the magnitude of ps cross b divided by the magnitude of vector b. So the answer is square root 182 over square root of 3, or root of 182 and 3